I'm going to show you how to pass the prop firm test without ever breaking your account and how you can build a solid and profitable trading business with steady withdrawals. Market makers make two big moves every day, and if you can identify these two big moves, you will make money. And I've got the method and the tools to identify these market maker moves, making it easier for you to know when the market speeds up or when the market bounces back. And just so you know, I'm not here to sell you a course or a mentorship. I'm here to show you the exact same system that has helped me pass the prop firm test in $25,000 accounts, getting me a total of $500,000 in funds. And this trading method not only has helped me and my family, but also a bunch of members using this system. Now I have Chris, Carol, Alda Palma, and even my brother, and the list goes on. The reason why most people lose money in trading is because they're following traditional chart systems that don't work, like super trends, candlestick patterns, and even Fibonacci. The truth is that none of these graph setups are effective. They're essentially 50% guesses. In fact, the founder of candlestick theory wasn't even a trader. He never traded. And you don't have to take my word for it. You can do what I did, and you can backtest 10 years of any graph setups, and it'll always get you the same answer, which is something close to 50% win. Now, one of the key reasons why graph setups usually fail is due to the difference in the time frames that traders use. You might be using a 1-minute time frame to analyze the market. Another trader might be using 5 minutes. The banks could be using 10 minutes, an hour, 15 minutes, a 1-day candlestick. Now, this difference in time frames will lead you to completely different interpretations of setups, making it impossible for you to find consistency in trading. And this is exactly why you see the stats: 95% of traders don't ever make money. Like, just be honest with yourself. Have you ever made money, or are you still at a break even, or even worse, have you lost money with graph setups? Now, if your answer right now is not "I made money trading," then you should watch this video till the end and start using my system to get results like me, to get results like my community. Now, this community is using my methods in my system, allowing them to trade a system with 75% success rate. And as you can see, all of these people are making money. I'm going to show you some examples. I'm not going to name any because I don't want to get their name wrong. So this guy made $140 in 20 different accounts. This guy made 18 in 4 accounts. This person made 173 accounts. This guy made $375 and what looks like, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 accounts. $1,000. This is my brother, by the way. $1,000 in 5 accounts. This guy made $600 in over 10 accounts, and this is a PA. This is real money. This is money in your pocket, right? This guy, $74. Alda Palma, he made $300, and these are PA accounts as well. This is real money in your pocket, that we're not talking about test accounts, right? And if you keep going, you will see people making money every day. Like, this guy made $18,000. And if we keep going, I'm gonna scroll a little bit faster so you can see these are just green results. This guy just got funded. A bunch of other people making money here. This guy looks like he had one really good trade. $400, $300, $1,000. Let's see, 46, not that much. He's just starting out. Wow, look at this guy, $4,000. Alex is a beast. He's making money every day. In fact, he's actually not just making money, he's withdrawing money as well. So these are PA accounts too. Eric, this is my dad, by the way, $194 in 20 accounts. And my dad's making money every day. Like I said, this is a family business. My whole family makes money. This is my brother, and you will probably see another result from my brother soon. See, $900 in 10 accounts. This guy, $300 again. Like I said, Alda Palma, he has a PA account. He's making on average $300 every day. This is real money. This guy just passed the prop firm test, and as you can see, this is real. I'm even gonna refresh the page, refresh it again. Look, these are not fake screenshots. I can keep going. So the system is real. Now, we wasted a lot of time with the Discord group, but I wanted to show you that I'm not the only one making money, and you can make money if you follow the system. The system is simple, right? It's buy and sell signals, and you can, in just a few weeks, get your account funded and start withdrawing. Now, the cool thing about this is that none of these people had to go through hours of training, tutorials to get started. They simply joined the system and in the same day started following the market maker setups. That's it. Now, if you're curious, I'm going to quickly show you the system. This is what we look at every day. You have 3 different graphs. It gives you the buy and sell signals here. Very, very simple. But you're also going to be looking at the strength of direction and the absolute gamma. This is one of the most important graphs, which you will learn how to read. But basically, this will tell us where the market makers want to move the market or bounce the market. Now, in case you don't believe us, you can check the list of trades. This will tell you all of the trades we took from the first day. If I scroll all the way down, you can see here all of our best trades. It gives you the day, it gives you the time we opened the trade and the time we close the trade and the profit of each trade. And as you can see down here, the total is over $10,000. So this is insane. This is working with one mini contract. And the only reason this is possible is because I trade differently than anybody else. I trade like the market makers, focusing on key points, key interest points where these market makers will need to drive prices. You see, market makers are the banks responsible for providing liquidity and maintaining the market fair by buying and selling options and hedging in the futures market with the goal to pause or accelerate the market. Now, I know, this could be a little bit confusing. So just think of it as the banks need to move the market to a certain price by the end of each day so they don't lose money. And when we identify where the banks are moving their prices, we either buy or we short the market, moving towards the same direction as the market makers. And this is why I'm confident to say that this system, this way of trading is the most profitable way of trading, right? Do you think the banks managing billions of dollars are gonna enter a trade because the candle crossed the line that they drew on the graph? No, of course they're not gonna do that because they have information. They have a team doing daily calculations where they need to move the prices. And so again, my system is able to identify these market maker moves, giving us 4 market maker setups with a 75% winning rate. The first setup is trading towards the target. When the market makers need to take a directional trade to balance their hedges, our system will know where the target is and give you a buy or sell signal trading towards their target. The second setup is a reversion at the target. When we reach the day's target, our AI will check for the chance of a bounce. We analyze the market makers hedging in real time, and with a 75% chance of bouncing, we give you a clear trade signal. Our setup number 3 is a breakout at the target. If there is no 75% chance of a bounce, but instead chance of a continuing movement, our system will give you a clear signal towards the next target. And last but not least, setup number 4 is a bounce at the highest and lowest price of the day. Our system allows you to know if the day is bullish, bearish, or if the day is flat, meaning it's going to stay between 2 extremes. In that case, we give you clear sell and buy signals at both of these extremes. This is a system that has been tested by me, my family, and all of these people at the Discord community for the last couple of years. So if you want to trade with the most solid and profitable system, allowing you to finally pass the prop firm test, but most importantly, withdraw money, you have to get started today. So click the button below and send me a WhatsApp message.